Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, welcome to the ride. This channel is all about driving smarter, smoother, and safer with real world tips and POV driving experiences. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future driving content. It helps the channel a ton and lets me keep bringing you videos like this. Alright, today's video is all about how to be a smooth driver, not just for comfort, but for safety, fuel savings, and that sweet, confident feel behind the wheel. Whether you're a new driver or just trying to sharpen your skills, this one's for you. Let's start with why. Why should you even care about smooth driving? Well, think of it this way. A smooth driver is a calm, aware, and safe driver. Your car lasts longer and your passengers feel better. And you create way fewer near misses or stressful situations. I used to drive like I was in a video game. Sharp starts, hard braking, fast cornering, but eventually I realized it wasn't helping me. It made people nervous and I burned fuel like crazy. Once I made a few changes to my driving style, not only did my driving improve, but I actually enjoyed it more. Tip number 1. Master your throttle control. The gas pedal is an on-off switch. That's a mindset change right there. You don't need to punch it to keep up with traffic. In fact, a smoother and lighter touch will get you up to speed in a more controlled, fuel-efficient way. Think of it like pouring a cup of tea with a steady hand and no splashing. When you accelerate gently, you keep the car balanced, reduce wear on your tires and engine, and set the tone for a more relaxed drive. Try to imagine your passengers holding a cup of hot coffee. Would they spill it with the way you're accelerating? Tip number 2. Braking. When it comes to braking, the key word is anticipation. Don't wait until the last second. That's how you end up with a sudden jerks or panic stops. Start easing off the gas early and gradually apply the brakes. The goal is to stop the car in a way that feels kinda natural, like you meant to do it, not like you were surprised by the red light. A good habit is to imagine that your brake pedal is connected to a sponge. You press it slowly and evenly. That kind of control makes every stop feel like a gentle landing. Tip number 3. Scan the road ahead. A huge part of driving smoothly is just paying attention ahead of time. Don't just look at the car in front of you. Look through traffic, check for slowing vehicles, crosswalks, merging lanes, or changes in traffic lights. When you're watching far ahead, you have more time to react, which means smoother transitions. You don't have to slam the brake or yank the wheel. You can just ease off the gas, steer gently, and let the car flow. It takes practice, but once you build that habit of scanning ahead, you'll start catching things before they become problems. Tip number 4. Smooth controlled steering. A smooth driver knows how to work the steering wheel with precision. Always keep your hands at 9 and 3. It gives you the best control and balance. When turning, don't yank the wheel. Steer with intention and let the wheel glide through your fingers naturally. Your car responds best to gentle inputs. If you're taking a corner, slow down before the turn, not while you're already turning. That keeps the weight balanced and the ride smooth. When the turn ends, allow the wheel to come back to center without overcorrecting. Tip number 5. Learn to coast. Coasting is one of the easiest ways to drive smoother and smarter. Let's say you're approaching a red light or some slow moving traffic. Instead of gassing it and then hitting the brakes, just take your foot off the gas. Let your car naturally slow down. You'll be surprised how far you can roll before needing to brake. This reduces wear on your brakes, saves fuel, and makes you look and feel more in control. Tip number 6. Maintain a safe following distance. Tailgating doesn't make you get there faster. It just creates stress and sudden braking. Keep at least a 3-second following distance. It gives you time to react calmly and more space to coast or brake gently instead of slamming the pedal. If the car in front slams their brakes and you're right on their bumper, you won't have time to stop smoothly or at all. Space equals smoothness. Tip number 7. Smooth gear transitions. If you drive stick, learn to shift gears smoothly. That means matching revs, easing off the clutch, and avoiding sudden jerks. The whole process should feel like one fluid motion, not a series of clunks. In automatic cars, don't shift between drive and reverse while the car is still moving. Always come to a full stop first. It protects your transmission and avoids that awkward jolt. Whether it's manual or auto, shifting feels seamless, not like your car just hiccuped. And lastly, stay relaxed behind the wheel. Driving smooth also comes down to your mindset. If you're stressed out, distracted, or in a rush, your driving becomes jerky and more unpredictable. Try this. Take a deep breath before you start driving. Leave a few minutes early so you're not rushing. Turn off distractions and just be present. You'll notice your movements become calmer and more deliberate. When your mind is calm, your hands and feet follow, and that makes all the difference. Not too long ago, I wasn't proud of my driving style. I used to rush everywhere, heavy on the gas, heavy on the brakes. I thought I was being efficient, but it made every ride stressful. My passengers would lean forward every time I stopped. One of my friends even said, "Bro, it's like riding a roller coaster with no seatbelt on." That's when I started taking it seriously. I challenged myself to drive smoothly for a week. I practiced slow starts, early braking, and coasting. Honestly, it changed how I feel behind the wheel. Now, driving is something I actually enjoy. It's peaceful, it feels like I'm in control, not just of the car, but also the experience. If you want to become a smooth driver, start small. Pick one tip from today's video and practice it. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real-world driving tips and relaxing POVs. I appreciate every single one of you who watches, and your support helps this channel grow. And let's chat in the comments. What's your biggest challenge when trying to drive smoothly, or what tip has helped you the most? Drop it down below. I would love to hear your story. Until next time, drive safe, stay smooth, and I'll see you in the next one.